I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to install Apple Music. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you go home to the home screen, and on this row of app icons, look for apps and select that. Now that should take you to the Samsung App Store. What you want to do here is scroll and try to find Apple Music. So you can see it's right there under popular this week. Now, in case it's not there or it's not in the suggestions, you might want to go to the top or the upper right side and then press the search function. And then on the search window, just type Apple Music. And you might even see the results as you type. So once you see the results, you can always just go up there and select Apple Music and then press install, and then allow Apple Music to get downloaded and installed on your Samsung Smart TV. Now once it's done installing, you can either launch it from here or close, or you click on open from here, or on the apps page you can always scroll down to this section called downloaded apps and you should find your Apple Music icon there. Now if you want to add the Apple Music icon to the home screen, just select the Apple Music icon, long press on this selection button on your remote. When you long press on it, you should see a little menu, select add to home, and then it's going to be added to home, but then you can move it and place it exactly where you want it, and then press this once like that. So now we have Apple Music installed and added to the home screen. So you can always launch it from here moving forward. Now, of course, if it's the first time, it's going to take you through this setup process. You're going to have to sign in. Or if you want to try the free for a month, you can try it for free. Or if you're already a subscriber, if you already have an Apple Music account, just select already subscriber and sign in with your Apple ID. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.